Guys, I found a way to outline all the text in InDesign without having to go Preflight with Adobe. Truly, I kind of bullied someone into making a script for it. I'm so excited about this, so let's dive in. I'll try to keep it quick, but if you've seen our Fit Text to Frames script video where we have a script that changes the length of the names, like makes the font smaller to have them in the boxes from your data merge, then this is the same creator, ID Extras. I am just obsessed with her, and I asked her if she could create a script that would create outlines on all of the pages. So let me show you how easy it is, and then I'll go into like where to get it and how to install it. All right, I have to prove to you that none of these are outlined. These are all editable text all the way down. I swear we'll stop at a random page on page 77, and then even on page 91. Okay, we could use Fit Text to Frame here. They are all active text boxes. They're not outlined, but if you need to outline them, oftentimes we have to go save it as a PDF, go into Adobe Preflight, resave it, etc. And now we have a script that can do that. What I would recommend is always saving out your file before you outline as outlined. Obviously I've done this before, so we'll keep this as outlined 3. So you always have a non-outlined one to go back to. And then you're going to scripts, which is in Window Utilities, Scripts. You'll get your scripts panel, and you're going to float all the way down to outline all text frames. If this is your first time using it, you might have to enter your email to make sure that it corresponds with your purchase. So outline, go out by Laney.com, click OK, activation successful, and then we're gonna think for a second. And it cannot possibly be that easy, but I swear it is that easy. Now, all of our text is outlined. Look at these beautiful, like we had 2 text boxes per page, and they're all outlined. Yes, all the way down to Kyle and Jessica. Of course, you wanna make sure everything's fitting in the box before you outline it, but how amazing. All of this has been perfectly outlined. Now we can just save it as a PDF and print it perfectly. One thing I love about the script also is that you can undo it. So Control Z, undo. Now I can grab all of my text, fit it into the box, and then re-outline everything. No problemo. So easy. I can't even believe I got this like 8 seconds ago and had to film this video because it is so exciting. Okay, so how do you get the script and install it? If you saw the Fit Text to Frame videos, you know the link is in the description and you know how to install it, but I'll show you if you don't. Okay, you're gonna go to ID Extras. The link in the description will put this right in your shopping cart. You'll be good to go. You might also wanna grab Fit Text to Frame, watch that video, I'll put it in the description too. And then there will be clear instructions in the email that you get about how to download it and install it, but I'll show you here. So when you download it, there's only gonna be one thing in the file. You have to extract the file, and then you're just gonna copy this and go into your program files. So typically that's on your operating system, program files, Adobe, and then you wanna click the correct InDesign version. You can install it in multiple versions if you want. I'll just do 2025. And then we have scripts panel, samples. And then this one is a JavaScript. So we'll do JavaScript, and you can tell because it is a JSX file, which is a JavaScript file. And then you can see I've just pasted this in here, outline all text frames version 1. And so once you have that installed, the next time you open up InDesign, you'll see it in your scripts panel, outline all text frames, and you'll be able to use that. So let me know what questions you have. I'm gonna link it directly in the description for you. I'm so excited for this. And thank you, Ariel, for creating this. Our stationery design community is gonna absolutely just freak over this.